Hello, thank you for watching. I will show you this short video what I've recently acquired. From this shot, many of you already know, this is a very old Tektronix oscilloscope, and I think it's a very particular one. I have no other old Tektronix gears, so I'm very excited with this one. It seems to be fully functional, but I'll have to test it thoroughly because I've just powered it up for the first time since I got it. So let's look at it at least an overview together. So I will zoom back a little bit to show you there. This is my new scope. It's let me see. There you have it. It's a type 565 dual beam oscilloscope. And that, for those that don't know, what that means is that the CRT inside has two beams, two electron beams separately. So you can have, as you can see on the screen, two different time bases, one for each beam. And depending on which vertical plugins you use, for example, you have here for one of the beams and here for the other of the beams, you can have up to 4 channels in this dual beam of oscilloscopes. With sorry for that, with 2 time bases, one over there and one over there. I haven't tested it thoroughly. I just turned it on, so and it just came alive with the 2 beams there. Let me see if I can adjust. For example, as you can see, the intensity just went out a little bit. I don't know what's that. Maybe they're dirty pots here. This you can see there's something a bit dirty. Sorry for the cars. This is a very busy street, so maybe you will hear the noises of the cars and everything. But well, we have to live with that. And the aesthetics of the whole unit, it has lots of dirt and maybe it has been through some moisture. I think this I believe this is a support for a camera to take pictures. There is camera power here, so maybe you can plug in and power the camera from there. It had many switches and things. As you can see from this vertical module, it's a type 2A61. Both vertical modules I have are type 2A61, which are differential amplifiers, and in the input you have differential inputs. And for what I've seen, this is a really high gain differential inputs. For example, you can get something like, if I'm looking, 0.01 millivolts, so it's like 10 microvolt per division, 10 microvolt per division here, there. So I think that's not, I don't know, I have to check if this is working. I've just got it, so I don't know. So it's 10 microvolt, and it's of course, the trade you get with that is that it has a very small bandwidth. I don't know if it's some kilohertz of bandwidth, but you have very high gain. I think I read that you can. It's intended to use as EEGs or to measure body signals. For example, is one of the uses. So maybe I'll try that sometime. I also have, maybe I can get it here and can get it in the shot. I also received with the purchase. Let me zoom out a little bit. Another plugin. Sorry, another plugin here. There, it's a type 3A1, which is a dual trace amplifier. I think it's a 10 megahertz dual trace amplifier. So if I plug this into one of the slots here, I will have two traces up to 10 megahertz in bandwidth, and maybe if I get another one for there, I have another two traces. I know there is a plugin with 4 channels also, so maybe that's interesting. Of course, the classic construction quality. Sorry for the video, I'm very quickly making this video. Maybe you have better light there. The construction quality, of course, this is just beautiful. And here you have it has some tubes, of course, and you have here the new visitors tubes. So this will be a really nice project, but I think I just want to use it. I'll test it out, I'll clean it, and I'll start using it, because I'm short of oscilloscope. I don't have I have just a USB Handtech oscilloscope, which I don't like it very much. Sorry for the Handtech fanboys, but I don't think it's a good oscilloscope. I think that the worst part of it, of course, it's always the software, which is not very good at all. The hardware may be good. So I'll turn off the camera now, and maybe I'll show you inside. I'll try to open the unit and show you inside. Let me see if I get a better view there of this really beautiful oscilloscope. Really good. Okay, I've removed the top cover of the unit. The unit is on, is still on, and you maybe hear it from the fan, which I thought the fan was going to make much more noise, but I'm glad it doesn't. This thing inside is really outstanding. I didn't expect so much attention to detail. This is the tube, which of course has a shielding outside, and well, you can see some tubes there from the vertical plugging modules, some with high current resistors. I don't know, I've just some cool Tektronix logo there. Well, maybe it cannot be seen now. I have to check everything inside here. Oh yes, that's the power transformer down there. It's really cool. I'm here where I have the unit. I don't have much light or proper light at this moment, so let me see if with the cell phone I can show you that's the power transformer, or one of the power transformers. I don't know. This is a really heavy, let me say, danger high voltage. This is a really cool unit, and it has quality all over it. Yes, and it seems to be in quite good conditions, meaning that it doesn't look like they have been tampering with it or changing, you know, the circuits or whatever. It seems to be original, although I can already tell. I was watching here. You have the differential input. You have the differential input here with a special connector, but if you look to the other differential amplifier, there is a BNC connector there. So maybe this is, for sure, this is modified to have a BNC input. So this is what I have now. I'm very happy with it, and I'll have to test it and maybe come back with another video showing how this performs, or maybe using it for during the projects on another video. So I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. This is a short video, a bit improvised, but very happy with the new oscilloscope I have. Okay, thank you for watching.